Hi, my name's Jeanette. Nice to meet you. Thanks for stopping by. We're going to learn to make this little t-shirt. It's made with some heat transfer embossed vinyl from Heat Transfer Sauce. So let's head on over to the computer and I'll show you real quick how to make the design. I'm using a Cricut maker and I'm also making my design through Cricut Design Space. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get into Design Space and click on New Project. When we get into our New Project window, we're going to go to Images. And up here in the search images, I put in the word love. If you have Cricut Access, then anything with the little green A is free for you. So I'm going to make this design to put on a 12 to 18 month shirt. And I know that that should be about 4.5 inches in size.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks.
So I could go right up here and go 4.5. Okay, and so that changes it proportionately. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go click on to make it. I like to put a box around this. I call it a weeding box. That way I don't waste vinyl and I can just weed that one spot of where my design is. Okay, so I'm going to make a box. I am going to come down here and make it approximately the same size as that. If you right click, you can send it to the back, which is where we want it. In order for the Cricut to read it so that it cuts as one design, you need to highlight both and click attach. And you go to place your vinyl down on your mat. You put the color side facing down and to the upper left hand corner. So I have the vinyl on my mat. I'm going to place it underneath my guides. My little button, my arrow button is flashing to put this, send it to the machine. Next, my little Cricut button will be flashing. Press that and it will cut. Now, this is the reason that I like a weeding box, because you can just peel your vinyl back. Okay, and then see, so I have my heat press, my little Cricut Easy Press, and I have it set at 315 and it's ready to go. Now, before you press any garment, any transfer onto a garment, you should always press the garment that you're placing it on to remove any moisture. I like to have it like maybe about 1.5 inches to 2 inches below the neckline. Place your heat press on. It says medium pressure for 15 seconds. So you set the timer. I take my Heat Transfer Sauce cooling block and run it over my project to help cool it down. Simple little project, but nobody else has to know that it was a simple little project. So for our last and final thing, I like to place a piece of parchment paper over the top and just go over my design again, just to make sure that it's actually on there well. And voila! Your design is complete.